Number 16. Okay, they want to know where is f of x both concave up and increasing. Concave up would be second derivative positive, so we'll do a second derivative sign chart. Increasing is first derivative positive, so we'll do a first derivative sign chart. And also know that this is a polynomial. This is a negative cubic. So this graph is probably going to go like this, and you kind of have an idea, therefore, of what it's going to look like and what to expect already. So first derivative would be 12x minus 6x squared. Second derivative would be 12 minus 12x. It's usually easier to start with the second derivative. Solving that and doing a second derivative sign chart, we get that x is 1. So my second derivative sign chart, okay, plugging in surrounding that. If I plug in 0, I'd get positive, plugging it in here. If I plug in a 2, we get a negative. So we're looking for concave up. So we now know we're going to look only in this region. Okay, less than 1. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. And now we're going to deal with this part, okay? Setting our first derivative equal to 0, factor. Set each factor equal to 0 when we get 0 and 2. And now we're going to do a first derivative sign chart. Okay, and I kind of want to keep it in line with this one here. So this was a 1. We have 0 and 2. Okay? Now, I really only need to check here and left of that because I already know this is the part of the answer that we're keeping. Okay? So left of 0, if I plug in a negative 1, this would be a negative and a positive, so that's a negative. If I plug in something between 0 and 2, I can plug in 1, and I get positive, positive. So out of these numbers that we have already here, out of those numbers, we're also looking for a positive first derivative, which is here. And if we intersect that with this other chart, my final answer should be from 0 to 1. So that looks like that is A. Hope that helped.